that my name is Amy?
My name's Taylor.
I don't know if you know, but my real name is not Mommy. Yeah, it's not Mommy. Yeah.
I know you're watching TV and everything, but did you know that my name is Ryan?
My name is Bailey. Yeah, my name is Bailey.
My name is Palace.
You wanna know my name? It's Tatum.
My name is Phoebe.
Shadow. My name is Tasneem.
I think my real name is Ataja.
My name is Larry.
Wait a minute.
Well, my name's Amber.
My name is Larry.
What?
Did you know that my name is Alyssa?
My name is not Mommy. My name is Laura. I thought you should know.